Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bloom Kshmr. Bloom is an incredibly versatile creative effect plugin designed to transform your audio. It expertly blends reverse, sustain, and shimmer effects, allowing you to craft unique textures and evolving soundscapes. Whether you're working on vocals, synths, or drums, Bloom provides an intuitive interface to elevate your sound. We'll explore its core functionalities step by step, helping you unlock its full potential for your music. Let's dive into Bloom's core controls, which are central to its magic. The reverse section allows you to dial in a classic reverse reverb, perfect for dramatic buildups or transitions. Next, the sustain feature extends the tail of your sounds, creating beautiful, lingering textures. Then, the shimmer effect adds ethereal, pitch-shifted delays, often an octave higher, for a truly angelic quality. Remember to use the dry/wet knob to perfectly blend the processed sound with your original audio. Beyond the core effects, Bloom offers powerful advanced features to refine your sound. The integrated EQ allows you to precisely shape the tonal character of the effects, ensuring they sit perfectly in your mix. The gate function is excellent for tightening up tails or creating rhythmic, chopped effects. Don't forget to explore the modulate section to introduce subtle or dramatic movement. Automating parameters like reverse length or shimmer amount can lead to incredibly dynamic and evolving soundscapes in your productions. To truly master Bloom, here are a few creative tips. Begin by exploring the extensive library of presets. They offer fantastic starting points for various instruments and genres. Try applying Bloom subtly to vocals to achieve a dreamy, atmospheric quality without overwhelming the lead. For synth pads, it can create massive, evolving soundscapes that fill your mix. Also, don't shy away from experimenting with short, percussive sounds to generate unique rhythmic textures. Have fun creating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.